Welcome to qnawire.
Hi friends, so this question is about a refrigerator. So there is a refrigerator which has a coefficient of performance K of 2.1. In each cycle it absorbs certain amount of heat from the cold reservoir, so that I denote this by QC as is denoted in the book. So that is 3.1 into 10 to the power 4 joules. Now, how much mechanical energy is required each cycle to operate the refrigerator? So how much mechanical energy is required? So that is given by using the formula K is equal to QC upon W, which gives that mechanical work done W is equal to QC by K. Now as you substitute the value of QC and K from given, you can find that mechanical work to be done is 1.48 into 10 to the power 4 joule. Okay, so this is question number A. So the next question asks us how much heat is discarded to the high temperature reservoir. So the refrigerator obviously discards the heat QC into reservoir, and also it discards the amount of mechanical work that we do on that refrigerator, that is W. So the total heat discarded is the sum of Kc and W, that is denoted by QH. QH is equal to QC plus W. As you substitute these values from the above, you can get this to be 4.58 into 10 to the power 4 joules. So thank you guys for watching this. This ends the solution for this problem.